Here we have two Zapperboxes. One is a dual tuner M1. The other one is a Zapper Mini. And they're both connected to the same TV. We are an HDMI switcher. And because of this, the resolution is a little squished, but these switchers sell for $40 on Amazon, and they're pretty handy. You can actually switch between 4 different HDMI inputs. And for this demo, I like this 2x2 input, but if I press menu, the problem is both of them show their menu. And if you recall, in version 3.2.6, we implemented disable IR input. So let's see how that works. If I go to the dual tuner and I go down to settings and I say disable IR input, and it gives me a code number 223872. So let me enter that 223872. So now IR is disabled on this one, but here if I press menu, so I'm pressing menu, only one of them is responding. I press pause, only one of them responds. I press info, only one of them responds. I'm now going to go and disable IR input on this one also. So I press menu, I go to disable IR input. You notice that the codes are different, they're random. So this one is 292293, so 292293. Now both are disabled and they have different code. This is 223872. So I can press menu, they're out of sync, but I can press DVR, nothing happens. Now let's go and enable this one. And I press menu, 223872, so 223872, and now IR is enabled. I can press menu, I can press guide, I can press DVR. As you can see, this is really handy. If you have 2 boxes in the same room, you can disable IR on one of them. Now the standby key will still work. So if I go and I press the standby key, the red key, they will both go into standby. So I'm going to try that. They both turn off, and if I press power, they both turn back on. And the IR still stays disabled on one of them. So it survives across a standby mode.